Hi, I'm Glory St. Germain. Do you need a shoulder pain exercise that can finally help relieve pain and tightness? As a music teacher, a shoulder pain exercise is just what you need to alleviate pain and help you feel better after sitting for long periods of time when you're teaching. We've created the Ultimate Music Yoga program just for you. And to get you started and help you release tension, here's Heather Kolankowski with an Ultimate Music Yoga tip.
Shoulders. Wow. Tension, tightness, pain, limited mobility. The list goes on and on. What can you do? Well, here's a very, very simple tip for you. Start by sitting in a nice neutral position and bring your fingertips to your shoulders, like so. Then slowly, as you inhale, start to rotate those shoulders back. And as you're about halfway through that rotation, exhale. Just slowly backwards, noticing what's there. This little exercise will help release many of the muscles that attach to the shoulder blades. When that feels good, go forwards. Imagine drawing little circles on the wall beside you with your elbows. Play with that. I hope it helps. For that and other tips on health and well-being, be sure to visit ultimatemusicyoga.com. Namaste.